Teresa shares here, I've been studying psychosynthesis and how it helps people to recognize their inner self and follow the guidance. While I've been studying this, I've been wondering if the self is actually the energy, Shakti, etc. Yeah, I'm sure that there's many different ways of looking at this. I'm sure it will come down to semantics and different systems of looking at it and whatnot. I think the self is all there is. And so there's nothing outside of it. Um, that's, of course, like a really broad way of looking at it. In a more specific way, like I feel that the self is felt energetically within this apparently separate human system as the energy flow, as that intelligence, right? That animates this body and animates the kriyas and, brings us into these wonderful states of consciousness and all of this sort of thing. I don't see it as distinct. And in fact, another paradigm to look at it from is internal family systems, IFS, parts work, where they use the term self energy together, actually, the two words self or self energy. And they actually describe it as when a person is in their self energy, when they're in that state of being, that state of consciousness, which is, connected, it's creative, it's confident, etc. It can sometimes come with a tingling, with an energy flow through the system. And Dick Schwartz actually describes this as being synonymous with Kundalini. And he describes it in the book, No Bad Parts.